Kelly Clarkson has gone through a very public and bitter divorce.
I was destroyed, like on the ground, like crying.
But it looks like she is not done yet with her ex-husband, Brandon Blackstock, a man she once loved.
Like, it wasn't an overnight decision. Oh, it was beautiful for a minute. You know what I'm saying?
A few months back, Kelly was awarded $2.6 million that Blackstock was ordered to pay for charging Kelly for deals he wasn't licensed to seek. I suppose Kelly would have wanted to close this chapter there and move on with her life, but Brandon had other ideas. And it appears Kelly has also had enough of this legal drama and has now filed a new cross-complaint against him, as reported by Rolling Stones, hoping to put the matter to rest once and for all. So what exactly did Brandon do? Well, to understand that, we need to know more about the history of the legal battle between Clarkson and her ex, which also involves another party, Starstruck. Starstruck is the talent management agency that represented Kelly and is owned by Brandon's father, Narvel Blackstock, who, by the way, is Reba McEntire's ex-husband. And Reba recently revealed in an interview that her marriage to Narvel felt more like a business meeting 24/7.
It was always business, whether we were getting ready in the morning, pillow talk, whatever, but it was business.
Reba also said that even on vacations, Narvel could only think of business deals and new ventures. Going back to Starstruck, that first sued Clarkson back in 2020, just months after she had filed for divorce from Brandon. In response, Kelly went to California Labor Commission claiming that Brandon was operating as an unlicensed talent agent in California. The commission found the claims to be true and ordered Brandon to pay back the commissions he had pocketed unlawfully. $1.9 million for The Voice, $500,000 for Wayfair deal, and another $200,000 for a gig with Norwegian Cruise Line, amounting to a total of $2.6 million. It appeared Starstruck had distanced themselves from Brandon, as his name was also removed from the website. Some reports even suggested that Blake Shelton, a talent managed by Starstruck, also chose his close friend Kelly over Brandon and parted ways with his former manager. But there is another twist to the story. Recently, Starstruck and Blackstock joined forces to collectively file an appeal on the Labor Commission's decision. Blackstock and the management company asked the Los Angeles Superior Court judge for a trial de novo, which would allow them to have another trial on the matter. They alleged that the Labor Commission didn't allow them to introduce all their witnesses or show certain evidence, and looks like this move really triggered Kelly, and she has come back all guns blazing. In her cross-complaint, she has asked any agreements with her ex-husband and management company to be declared void and unenforceable. And she didn't stop there. She is going after all the money previously paid to Starstruck. And she wants Brandon to put a $5 million bond before he can continue with the appeal. Kelly has clearly had enough of this. She is angry and has every reason to be, and she has spoken about how Brandon manipulated her and made her doubt her self-worth over her weight and looks. More on that in this video on the left. And please do hit the like and subscribe buttons before you go.